Welcome to New Zealand. Driving in New Zealand looks easy, until this happens. There's more to driving here than staying on the left, and if you miss it, it can cost you more than a fine. Every year, millions of visitors drive in New Zealand. It's the best way to explore, but also the easiest way to get caught out. So here's what no one tells you before you get behind the wheel. You can drive on an overseas license for up to 12 months. But if it's not in English and you don't have a certified translation, your insurance might not cover you. Everyone knows New Zealand drives on the left. But after a long flight, that first turn is where mistakes happen. Therefore, left lane, right seat, remind yourself every single time. The open road limit is 100 or 110 kilometers per hour depending on the posted sign. But many roads are narrow, winding, and unforgiving. Therefore, drive to the conditions, not the sign. Roundabouts. Give way to the right. One-lane bridges. The sign decides who goes. But hesitate too long, and locals won't wait.
Oi!
Therefore, know the rules before you arrive. Smart drivers signal early, pull over if they are slow, expect animals, weather, and surprises, and never rush. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. If you've driven here before, what caught you out? Subscribe for more NZ driving guides from Road Test NZ.